Hi everyone, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So today we're going to be doing Barbie the Princess and the Pauper. So that's Erica and Annelise. Since my hair is straight right now and also brown, I'm going to start with Erica, but then I'll go to Annelise after. So yeah, let's get to it. So Erica, as most like non-Barbie but still in a Barbie movie characters, doesn't have a side part. She has a middle part, so we can leave my part where it is. Alright, so I'm going to be starting with the two braids she has going around the crown of her head. So just take a section out. So about that much, and then from below that take a substantial amount of hair, so a bit more than that. That's good. And then you can just plait, but when you're plaiting it's best if you plait upwards because the braid's going to be going upwards. So if you plait downwards there might be a few bits that pull or don't sit right when you pin it back up. That was me just measuring to see if the braid was long enough to go around my head, and it's not, so I'm going to braid right to the bottom. Okay, and then when you can't plait anymore, just tie it off. We're going to repeat those steps on the other side. I'm not sure if I said this already, but I did pre-clip in my extensions for this look just because all the Barbie characters do have such like beautiful, long, voluminous hair. Okay, so now before we pin those over each other to create the headband, I'm just going to take some hair from behind where I braided. So a little bit back so I don't interfere with the braids. Then I'm going to comb that back and tie off to create a little half ponytail. Okay, so now that that little ponytail is tied off, I'm just going to go ahead and pin these. So right at the bottom you want to make sure the base isn't laying weirdly, so that's the bit I'll pin first. And I want to pin that roughly where this end of the part is. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same thing with this braid. Okay, and now with these two, you really have two options. You can either just undo them, but that might make them come undone, or you can just pull them both back further behind and pin them underneath your hair, which is what I'm going to do. If your hair's long enough and the braids are long enough, you could also potentially tie them together beneath your hair, but my hair isn't quite long enough for that. Okay, and if you want, this is where you can finish the style, but Erica does have these two bits here tucked beneath, so I'm just going to go ahead and pin those back. Alright, so that's the final Erica look. Thank you for watching. Yeah, let's move on to Annelise. So I've curled my hair, you can see how in the other how to get voluminous Barbie hair tutorial, but I'm just going to move on to Annelise, and her look is so easy. It's really gorgeous as well, so I'm excited to do it. So taking this section here, twist backwards. Then as you go to about here, gradually add more bits of your hair until you have a solid twist. I'm just going to clip that for the time being while I do the other side. Now take these two twists, twist them together a bit more, and then tie them at the back. Now because we've curled the hair, there will be a few bits that are sticking up, so just go ahead and pin those down. Okay, so from here you can just go and make Annelise's little bun. So to do that, I took the hair, the remaining ponytail, flipped it into a little bun, then just gently push the end of the bun through, but making sure to leave this bit remaining. From here, you can just take a little pin and pin the bun down.
just like you. I think that's true. You're just like me. Yes, I can see. We take responsibility.
And now you're all done with Annelise's look. This is one of my favourite Barbie hairstyles. I really love the little bun at the back. I think it adds something special to the hairstyle. Hopefully you enjoyed the Princess and the Pauper hairstyles. Make sure to subscribe to Cliphair on YouTube and follow me at Dawn of Braids on Instagram for more tutorials and hairstyles. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!